If you're looking for the absolute best crypto wallet out there, then you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your discount on SafePal. All right, let's get started. So, what exactly is SafePal? SafePal is a revolutionary cryptocurrency wallet app designed to keep your digital assets secure and easily accessible. It's built with top-notch security features and a user-friendly interface that even beginners will find a breeze to navigate. One of the standout features of SafePal is its hardware wallet. Unlike many other wallets that are purely software-based, SafePal offers a compact, secure hardware wallet that ensures your private keys are stored offline. This means your assets are safe from online hacking attempts. But that's not all. SafePal also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, over 10,000 to be exact. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even the latest altcoins, SafePal has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the SafePal app. The app itself is incredibly intuitive. It allows you to manage your assets, monitor market trends, and even trade directly within the app. It's like having a full-fledged crypto exchange in your pocket. And for those who love DeFi, SafePal seamlessly integrates with decentralized finance platforms. You can participate in staking, farming, and liquidity pools all within the SafePal app. It's your gateway to the exciting world of DeFi. Security is a top priority for SafePal. The wallet uses advanced security protocols including EAL5+ secure element and multiple layers of encryption to ensure your assets are protected at all times. Plus, with regular firmware updates, SafePal continually enhances its security features to stay ahead of any potential threats. But wait, there's more. SafePal also offers excellent customer support. Whether you have a question about setup or need assistance with a transaction, their support team is always ready to help. So if you're serious about keeping your crypto safe and easily accessible, SafePal is the wallet for you. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your discount on SafePal today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.